Good day and welcome back to Ohatchee. Today is Thursday, December, what is it, the 18th? And I hope you're having a good day. A little bit of an overcast, rainy day, but it's not too cold here. Just giving you a view of the house back there. We got some big updates today and we've got juice. Okay, you can see as we walk up there that the power is connected and we have juice. So you see the line goes back up to the main pole here. That light doesn't work. And then over to the house just like we expected. And the old power pole right there, temporary one, is disconnected. So you also see that here's all the decking boards that we've got. They have not started putting the deck on, but all the boards are right here. Hopefully these boards will last a very long time. Trex decking and railing. So that is good. We've got a number of different people out at the house this week. So there's a lot going on the week before Christmas. We're gonna walk over here to the basement. Good morning. Well, afternoon, I guess now. And you can see here that they've concreted the back patio. And that is all concreted. So it took about 4 trucks of concrete to get that done. And you also see that they've been able to kind of slope this off here better. Makes it look a lot nicer. This is an area that we're obviously going to have to slide. Just fell. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm back. What you just witnessed there was me falling in real time. I put my foot right there on the left and it just slid completely out. So after a quick wardrobe change and putting my boots on now, I am back at it. So that teaches me a lesson to make sure I'm always wearing my boots up here. See, this gutter drops right here and it just brings water. So, oh well, sneakers are real messed up, but it's all good. So you see here, we've got all the concrete poured down here, looking good. And like I was saying, he's been able, ooh, it's very muddy all in here. Woo. He's got all this kind of sloped appropriately right now. So that's looking good. And gives you a visual of how much sod we're going to need to put down and get all that done at some point in the future. This red clay gets nasty when it gets wet, and it rained just a little bit, just enough. All right, let's give you this perspective on this side with all the concrete poured. And we've got all this area out here. My wife wants to build a pool. I'm not sure we can get it in over here. But at some point, that discussion is going to come up again to figure that out. So let's walk around the side. They also were able to concrete the pad that the AC units are going to sit on. We put some good rock down behind there. But if you see over here, come around this corner, you see that there's the concrete pad that the HVAC units will rest their weary head on. And this area out here is all cleared, good to go. So where are we in the project? We're 10 months in. I think we're exactly at 10-month mark, and oh, there's a lot of mud over there coming off the gutter. And we've probably got 2 more months to go. So let's go inside. As I was saying earlier, the juice is hot, so it was kind of neat walking up this morning and seeing that the power was on in the house. They had some lights on when it was darker. Actually, you can still see that that light is still on. So the juice is hot in the house, and that's all good. So all this area in here is going to be concreted as well. Let me see if I can clean my boots up a little bit. Oh my gosh. You see all this mud coming off of these boots. See if we can go inside. All this mud. Holy smokes. I got a little microwave now. People can have their lunch. And we'll go down here. There's the bathroom, main bathroom. You can see they got the schlooter board up. Oh, he's already started tiling that. And they got the knockout on the wall where we can put shampoos and stuff. Let's see if they've done anything in this other bathroom. Oh yeah, I think they're working it. Oh yeah, look at that. This is all tiled and looking good. So that's looking good. Let's go to the master. Looks like this is their work area in here. Cut and tile. He's got a light. There's a lot of action in here. Oh yeah. He's setting all the tile in here, and there's the corner bench we talked about. And over there. So that's a big update. So they're rocking and rolling in here. Tile guys. Now things are really starting to come together. I'm not sure what he's doing out here, but I guess he's kind of aligning pieces that will fit into the shower. So a lot of change there. Basement here. See, yep. Looks like they're just getting started down here. They laid the floor. This, man, this is a big bathroom for the basement. And that's all looking good. So it looks like a lot of tiling happening. Going to the unfinished space. Everything's pretty closed off in here. What I was looking to see is the panel board. It's darker down here. I don't know. Doesn't look like they got all the circuits in. You can't see a thing. So we'll come back to this later. But that is the view. Now there's the exhaust that's going to go up in there. That's not done yet. All right, so 10 months in, like I said, where are we in our construction loan? We are greater than $500,000 on our construction loan, and things are moving. Oh, there's a ladybug. Boom. Boom. get these ladybugs. Things are moving along there. Let's go back up to the main room. Working on the door. This is the old door from the house that was down there. And they're gonna make it like a barn door and swing it out. No other changes in here. But the decking is gonna be coming soon. That's another big job coming up. Anyway, happy holidays, Merry Christmas from Ohatchee, Alabama. We'll talk to you soon.